Hi! In front of me is CUBOT tablet, Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Devices settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Keyboard. From here, click on Theme, scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available options. When ready, click on the best one for you. Manage key borders by clicking on this switcher and tap on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings and customize your theme by choosing this plus icon under My Themes instead. Now you need to click on one of those pictures to set up your background. I will go with maybe that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done, manage key borders and tap on Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon and making your changes. Then select Apply one more time. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!